Alright people, welcome to another video, and in this particular video let me decrease down the volume a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit, to make it comfortable and yeah, that is alright, that is perfectly fine. Now, so in this particular and peculiar video we're gonna learn something regarding the array in JavaScript. Let me open my Vim, and yeah, so more or like it is not going to be like how arrays are structured. This particular video is focused towards how the nested array actually stores the data. I have seen quite a lot of people and even myself struggle with it, like to visualize how the data is stored, and I will try to make it visually appealing and make you be able to understand that how that what is actually going on. Let's just say I am creating an array of anime for the first time. Let's just say it's an anime list, an array of anime, and I need to put some data inside of. There are two ways with which I can put data. The first one is I would just say, let's say my favorite anime. Okay, the first one is One Piece. The One Piece is real. Then maybe Grand Blue Dreaming. Then if I need to put some more data, the other way I could do is I would write the name, then use the push method. Let me yank it out and write data onto it, which is Neon Genesis Evangelion. Then there is Ghost in the Shell. Then there is Ragnar, GNA, Crimson. It's a brand new anime. Then there is Trigun, Stampede. Then there are some more animes. Like, if you want, I can give you my list. My most dearest one is Parasite, the Maxim. And these are the two ways with which you can put data inside of an array. Okay, and now let me log the array, which is anime, which is the name of the anime. And now if I do the node of arr.js, I can see the result, that is One Piece, Grand Blue, Neon Genesis Evangelion, Ghost of Machine, Dragon Crimson, then Trigun, Stampede, then Parasite, the Maximum. That's one way to do it. But let's say I want to create, and of course it's really easy to visualize. That is the index. That is at zeros place that we have One Piece. At 1 we have Grand Blue Dreaming. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's easy to visualize and understand. But things get complicated when we are dealing with a nested array. And what is a nested array? It's simply an array which is defined using the square braces when we write some content, and then we create another array inside of the same array, and then put some content, and then some more array inside of the same, some more, and some more. There can be n times nested arrays inside a simple array, and there is no limit to it, like how deep you can go. So it becomes really complicated and really hard to visualize, like how data is stored, and that's what we are going to do here. So let me create another array called manga. Okay, my favorite mangas. And in this manga, let's just say comics. Nerd alert. So first is Good Night Pun. It's a manga. Then I got Berserk. Then I got Alice in Borderland. then I got MPD psycho, PSYCHO, and so on. But then what if I want to create, since it's about comics, what if what if I say, wait, let's just create another array inside of the same array which is of comics, and it contains the outside it is manga, then inside it's manhwa. First is Solo Leveling. I'm watching the series right now. Then we got what was that? My Amazing WeChat. It's again a good series. Then there is Boy in All Girls School. Don't judge me on that. Then there is Beginning After the End. Let's say, oh, but these are just comics. What about some other comics? Maybe let's just keep it simple for now. Just these two. A nested array. We got the concept that there is an outside array which contains manga, and inside there is another array which contains manhwa and manhwa. I'm not sure which one is which. I guess My Amazing Boy in All Girls School is Chinese. I'm not sure like which one is what. I need to work on that. Now, if I just do the log of the comics and I do the node of array dot, I got the same data, like exactly what I'm looking for. I got the Goodnight Pon Pon, the mangas first, and then another array inside of which I got the data as manhwas, as expected. But things get complicated. Say I need to print this one, this particular Boys in an All Girls School name. I just need to print this one. How would I do so? I would just first think about 0, 1, 2, 3, and then this whole array is 4, and then 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2. I would have to write something like this. 4, 2. Was it 4, 2? I forgot. I really forgot. 4, 2. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, 4, 2. I would just have to do node of, and I got the name Boys in the All Girls School. But it gets complicated if there are multiple levels to it. How do I even visualize it? For that, I would create another tab. I would go to the same directory, that is learning, teach, and just to keep things simple, I would do console. You might have seen me doing this a lot. Console.table. Use this particular console.table. Comics. Okay. Let me replace it with save it and do the node of it. And here we got the structure. It's really easy to visualize this way. Let me increase the size a little bit. Oh, that was too big. A little. I guess we have to just deal with this, okay? So what I did here was just, the whole point of the video is to visualize like how data is stored inside a multi-dimensional array or a nested array. First of all, at 0th index, we got Goodnight Pon Pon. Do we have it? Yes, we have it at 0th place, Goodnight Pon Pon. Then at the first, we got Berserk, Alice in Borderland, and MPD Psycho, followed up to the third. 0, 1, 2, and 3. At third place, we got MPD Psycho. Of course, we got it. At the fourth place, we got Solo Leveling. At the fourth place, we got Solo Leveling, My Amazing WeChat, Boy in a All Girls School, and Beginning After the End. The whole array, another array. And as you can see, the value at this place is empty. Why? Because we are creating another array. And this array, at 0th position, we got Solo Leveling. Do we got it? Yes, we do. Then at the first place, we got My Amazing WeChat, and we have it. Then at the second place, we got Boy in an All Girls School. Yes, and so on to the beginning after the end at the third index. This way, we can actually visualize like how the data is stored inside a nested array. That was the whole point of the video. Hope you learned something, and it is what it is. See you soon. Where did I put my screen recorder? Yeah.